I made this prototype here, and what's really interesting about it is that it works. I mean, it's a print in place, and here we can see that it's definitely broken at this spring right here. But when I tried different models later, the thing that surprised me was that it didn't get stuck. To illustrate that, we'll have my second version right here, and we'll go down, it goes up. But if I go like this by accident, then it gets stuck and it won't go down. This one here, I don't know how it works, it just works good. So I mean, obviously I tried replicating that. I tried things like this. So this one, it's very powerful at clamping things, but you have to open it like this, which could work. I just didn't design it for that. So something like this, and then it holds on pretty tight. It does angle a little bit, so I do have future ones for that one, but nothing really captured what I was looking for. And then I took off one of the springs, so I did that, and now it won't go up all the way because it's getting caught at the edge right here. Then I tried copying this part right here. I don't think I got it quite right, but this one does work. I did have to wear it in a whole bunch, and it works great. Now here's the final one for now. I'll be making more versions. I got a couple ideas of how to reroute the spring so it only works on the center, but for now this is what it is. It works pretty good. It's got a longer base here. I did have to do one extra step. I had to, you know, grease the sides here so that way it doesn't get stuck on anything. I also added this thing right here so that way when I print it I can have a little bit of preload. If I put this on here, and then yeah, it stays on my finger pretty good. So that's my current evolution. There's probably going to be a little bit more. You can check these out on Printables. I only have this version and this version on there, but I'll have a free CAD document with these springs already in there. So let me know what you guys think of it, and thanks for watching.